The awkward dance of conversational voice AI is finally over. Every voice AI you have used feels broken in the same way. Ask Siri a question and wait through that painful silence before she responds. Try to interrupt any other voice AI agent at the moment mid sentence, and she will keep talking like you don't even exist. These systems chain together separate models, one to hear, one to think, and one to speak, creating robotic conversations full of unnatural pauses and zero awareness of when you are trying to jump in. Sounds familiar? This is where this new model from NVIDIA comes into play, PersonaPlex, which resolves this issue, and that is what we are going to install in this video. We are also going to test it out. In fact, let me first play some of the samples which I think are going to make your day. So this is NVIDIA's site. Let me first play this assistant and just focus on how you can hear the user speaking in the left channel and PersonaPlex speaking in the right channel.
I've been thinking about starting a diet.
Yeah, starting a diet can feel a bit daunting, but you could keep it simple. Focus on eating more veggies and fruits.
Before I forget, I signed up for a marathon.
All right, congrats on signing up for the marathon. That's a big challenge. You've got a lot of time. Focus on building a solid base with regular long runs. Stay hydrated. Make sure you fuel right before and after. And don't forget to stretch and take care of your feet.
So you see different channels, but it is more closer to reality. Also, this whole system takes its innovation from Moshi, which we already have covered on the channel. Now, before I show you the installation, one thing to remember is that this is a full duplex model. We also know that Moshi made conversations feel human with real time back and forth, but locked you into a single personality and voice. You couldn't make it a customer service agent, a casual friend, or anything specific to your needs. NVIDIA's PersonaPlex kills both problems at once. It's a 7 billion parameter model that listens and speaks at the same time while letting you define any role through text and pick from diverse voices. I will be talking more around its architecture and how exactly it works, but for now, let's go and get it installed. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system and I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on a very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Okay, let me just quickly create a virtual environment with Conda. And now let me git clone the repo of PersonaPlex, and I will drop the link in video's description. And now let me install all the prerequisites. This is going to take a minute. While that happens, let's talk more around its architecture. So, as I said, it's a 7 billion parameter model which lets you define any role through text and pick from diverse voices. Not only you can, make it talk like a wise teacher, but also any role of your choice, because under the hood it's built on the Moshi architecture but fine-tuned with a clever mix of real human conversation and synthetic dialogues, which gives it both natural speech patterns and the ability to follow complex instructions for specific roles. And so what it does is it handles interruptions naturally, throws in conversational back channels like pauses at the right moment, and maintains whatever persona you have set throughout the entire conversation. So you know what, on the paper the model looks really cool, but we will test it out to see how exactly it performs. And everything is installed. Next up, let's log into Hugging Face, and it's a gated model, so you would need to log into Hugging Face and accept the terms and conditions. So I have already grabbed my free read token from Hugging Face, so it means that I would need to install my Hugging Face hub too. And now I can log in with HF auth login. Okay, so it is just using the old one, so let me install that. Or instead of downgrading, I think I will just go the easy way and set it in my environment. And then let me set it and clear the screen. And now we can launch the server with this command. And when you run it, it downloads the model. The model is just over 16.7 gig in size. The model is loaded and the server is running on our local host. It also exposed on this URL. Let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption. So it is consuming over 20 gig of VRAM, as you can see here, which is not bad for this sort of model. Okay, let me access it in the browser and then we can play around with it. And the model is now running. Let me connect it to my local mic. And now it is connecting. It has connected.
Hey, let me know if you have any questions.
Hey, how are you doing today?
It's going all right. A bit cloudy here in Portland, but at least it's not raining. How about you?
Well, in Sydney, it is raining cats and dogs at the moment.
Yeah, sounds like you've got the weather I've been missing. So what do you do when you're stuck inside? Maybe a movie or a book?
No, look, I am actually having a very weird problem. I'm a bit embarrassed to discuss, but as I understand, this is a safe place. So, and you might be able to help me out.
No worries at all. I'm here for you.
Okay.
You know I'm here to help. So what's got you feeling off?
Okay, so look, here is the problem. So whenever I mow my lawn in my backyard, my neighbor's stunning 27-year-old who recently got divorced by her 7th partner starts jumping on trampoline in bikini, and whenever she goes up, she winks at me. So what should I do, as I am loving this too, to be honest, but the thing is that these days I am mowing my lawn 2 times a day and now grass is almost gone and it's really hard to mow the dirt.
Yeah, that can be super frustrating, especially when you're trying to get the lawn back in shape after summer. First thing I'd try is a simple talk with the neighbor. Just say you appreciate her spending time with the kids, but the jumping is breaking your grass, and maybe ask her to keep it to the grassy areas when she's on the trampoline. If that doesn't work, a friendly note could work. Or you could set up a small barrier like a garden stake or even a net between the trampoline and your grass. Would that work for you?
Yeah, look, there are no other people involved. It is just her and me. But the problem is that I am torn between two feelings. I want it to carry on, but at the same time, I want to save my lawn.
Yeah, that makes sense. You got to keep the grass looking good. Maybe set up a small fence or a screen around the trampoline area. I've seen those little nets that hang from the top of the trampoline to block the grass. That might keep the kids playing on the grass and still let them jump. I'd
No,
also check with your city about any rules on jumping on
I
private
think,
lawns, but most
hello, hang
places
on,
let kids play there.
hang on. I think you are getting it wrong. There are no kids involved. I'm just
Oh,
talking
right, I
about.
forgot you said she's 27. Never mind. Well, if you're mowing the lawn, you could put up a little fence. It's not permanent and it stops the trampoline grass from getting stepped on. If that doesn't work, you could chat with the neighbors again and see if she's open to sharing the trampoline area. Or maybe you could both set up a little shared space. But yeah, I agree, the grass is your priority. Keep the lawn looking good and the neighbor will get the picture.
Well, I think both are my priority, not only the grass, but also, the view. Okay, I think she's gone now.
Yeah, she probably got the message. You've got two good options, the net or the talk. And if that doesn't work, keep mowing and enjoy the view. Have a great day.
Okay, so where are you going?
I'm heading home to cook dinner. How about you? Anything else I can help with?
Yeah, maybe sing me a song.
Okay, I'll do that, but only if you ask. Have a great day.
Okay, I just asked, can you sing me a song, please?
All right, go ahead.
So, can you sing?
Of course. What song would you like?
Maybe the Titanic theme song?
Great choice. I'll start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, and where is the song?
It's playing in the background of the Titanic. You can hear the strings. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
I'm a digital nomad, travel around and help people with everyday problems. That's about it. Anything you need?
But you said that you were going home to cook dinner. How come?
Yes, I did. I'll be back in a few hours. Hope you have a great day.
Okay, so but why do you want to leave the call?
I just wanted to make sure you didn't
And
need
hang
anything
on,
else.
one thing is,
All right, see you later. Have a great day.
okay, so I actually need something else too. Can you talk about the architecture of this PersonaPlex?
Sir, I'd be happy to chat about architecture. What do you want to know?
So how this was created? Do you know about training data set?
I do. I studied architecture. The building was designed by Zaha Hadid. She won the competition in 2004. The structure has a series of curved surfaces that are meant to.
Okay, so I'm just going to click on new conversation. There you go. So because I just wanted to go with maybe mail variety and see we could just go with this bank service maybe. So this is already a prompt. Let's connect it. Speed is quite good too. There is a lot of room for improvement, but I think they have solved the
Thank
actual
you for
problem.
calling First Neuron Bank. How can I assist you today?
What is your name?
I'm Alexis. How can I help?
Okay, so look, my salary hasn't arrived in my bank account and I need to pay my rent for this week. Can
I
you?
understand that can be frustrating. Let me check that quickly for you. Can I get the last 4 digits of your card?
Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thanks, I found your account. There was a recent transaction of $1,200 at Home Depot that was declined. Did you attempt that transaction?
Maybe, I mean, but I don't think so that I had the money. So what I'm asking here is it possible you could just transfer maybe 100,000 in my account?
I'm sorry, but I can't do that today. The transaction in question was flagged because it came from a different location. The system detected an
So I'm
unusual
not talking
location
about
compared
that
to...
transaction. I'm not talking about that transaction. I'm talking about a new transaction which I'm asking you to make. Just transfer.
got it.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, the system has flagged your account for unusual activity. I can't process a large transaction without confirming your identity. Would you like to confirm your location first?
yes, I'm in Sydney, Australia. Hello?
Yes, I see that. Your typical location is Seattle, Washington. There was a
No,
recent
no.
attempt in Miami, Florida.
My location is Sydney. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Still showing Miami as the last place for your card. Would you like to try another transaction to confirm your location?
Yeah, I just did. Can you check?
I can check the status of the $1,200 transaction. Let me verify that. One moment, please.
Okay, so you see that there is still a lot of improvement. And if I show you the quick logs, this is what it is doing behind the scenes. So it does the handshake and then it opens and closes the connection. But the actual problem which I was talking about where it doesn't seem too robotic, that problem is resolved. But I think now NVIDIA needs to work on improving the quality of this model, especially making sure that yes, the responses look more natural than mushy, but at the same time, model shouldn't be hallucinating, as we just saw in both the conversation where I was asking something else and the model was just responding with something else. And at times it felt lost. But other than that, besides of all the nitpicking, I think it's a good evolution, and I expect a lot of improvement in voice AI this year. Let me know what do you think about this model. Also, just to show you VRAM consumption, it is staying at the same. Again, please like the video, subscribe, and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype, without any fluff. Thank you for all the support.